For this tutorial, we will be showing how to access the overflow parking facility. To access the overflow parking option, you will have to add overflow parking team in your profile. For that, on the home page, click on the menu icon to view the sidebar. Then select Profile Overview. In the Profile Overview, go to the Team Details section, then click on Add button. It will show Add Team Detail pop-up. In the pop-up, select the team type by clicking on Team Type option. You can search overflow parking in the search field to locate easily. Select your shift, days and time as per your convenience. Once done, click on Add Team to save the details. After saving details, you can exit the profile module. After that, you will be able to see your Start button on home page. By clicking on Start button, your parking shift will start, and your starting request will be sent to admin for approval. Once you start the shift, it will enable the option to end shift. You can end shift by clicking on the End button, and again your end shift request will be sent to admin for approval. To view admin approval details, click on the menu icon and select the parking lot module, where you will be able to see all details including the rejection details by clicking on the view icon. Hopefully this tutorial will help in accessing the overflow parking facility. Thank you for watching. For any further queries or concerns, please visit sevadaari.com.